Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss VT here, and Bear is behind the camera, and we are finally sharing our back patio. Alright y'all, so if you haven't seen the first video, I'll have it linked here on the screen and in the description box down below so that you guys can check out the very first portion of this whole transformation, which is the before and somewhat kind of sort of after when we put together our Yuta home furniture. So we've had our Yuta home patio furniture for, at this point, a couple months. Because it took us forever to film this tour, so we're excited to share how the furniture has been doing thus far. But I'll have everything linked down in the description box below, everything that we show you guys during this video, and that's pretty much it. Let's just go ahead and get started. I have my wine. I hope y'all have a drink with y'all too, and I'm just so stoked to share this with you guys. Okay, so first things first is our back patio screen. So our back patio is completely screened in all the way around, and it is screened in with these solar screens and aluminum framing. So it is going to be extremely long lasting. It keeps the bugs out and the breeze in. And if you know me, you know I don't do bugs. I don't do bugs. I don't do bugs. Did y'all hear when I said I don't do bugs? So this has been extremely helpful for us to be able to actually utilize our patio, and you guys will see how the framing itself, it used to be wood, like the stairs that are at the bottom of the door here, but we completely switched it all out with the aluminum so that it can last the test of time. And we selected a color that matched our house perfectly, and I believe it was like a champagne color that I can't remember, but it matches the exterior of our house to a T. And it's also perfect because our screen does have this exterior door, so when we let Polo out and when we're just wanting to go out to the actual outside, we're able to do so really quickly and easily through this door here. Alright, so the next thing out here on our back patio is the floors. So we decided to cover up the concrete that it was originally with these deck tiles that we purchased from IKEA. So we got two different deck tiles, being the black gray deck tile and the grass deck tile, just to kind of give it some texture and some pattern out here. And so it's super cool because you're able to lay them however you want in whatever design that you choose. And so since we had a couple of grass deck tiles, I added those in this side of the patio, and the remaining space are the black deck tiles. So I think I'm going to add a few more grass tiles back here just to kind of spruce up the pattern that I did. But for now, this works just fine. Alright, so the next addition to the back patio are these beautiful Cabana curtains. So we purchased these Cabana curtains from Amazon, and they are a grayish white color. In addition to this tie back here that is super easy to remove and super easy to put back so that we could tie back these beautiful Cabana curtains. So the great thing about having Cabana curtains is that they are waterproof and weatherproof, just like a cabana on a beach. So that is why we went with them. But they are so beautiful. They're not too heavy, and they give us exactly what we need, which is a little bit of privacy. So in addition to that, we have them on some rods that we picked up from IKEA. They're just regular curtain rods from IKEA. They were probably like $5 maybe, and so we decided to go with gray curtain rods to go with the grayish white curtains, and it's super easy for us to just slide them back and forth. And again, taking this little tie back here, I am able to just tie them right back up when we want to get that nice breeze coming back into the patio. Alright, so the next thing that we decided to add out here on the back patio are these two beautiful ceiling fans. We were gifted these ceiling fans for Bear's birthday from his mom, and so I get to enjoy them. So that's why I say that they were a gift to both of us. But we are loving them so much. So originally we just had two builder grade lights out here that were pre-wired for both a ceiling fan and a light fixture. So they were super easy to install and come with two remotes as well, and different various functions within the lighting features, being able to dim them and brighten them, as well as 3 different fan settings. So they're amazing additions to the back patio, and they are specifically outdoor fans. So they're not indoor outdoor. They're outdoor fans to stand the test of Texas heat. So in addition to the fan lighting, we also added this Philips Hue strip light that gives us a billion different colors, and whatever color it is that we choose to set the mood. So we have this strip light right above the curtains, and it gives us this really nice uplighting that is actually powered by our Google Home automation system. So we can change this light from the Philips Hue app or just Google command because as you guys know, if you've been following us for a while, Bear is a little bit of a tech nerd and has completely automated our house. So we did decide to add a little bit of decor elements out here on the patio, and while it is a great amount of space, we don't want it to be too cluttered with too many things, because Little Bear does still play out here on the patio with us when we're back here chilling. So because of that, we did just decide to add a pot with these faux plants. So these faux plants are from At Home. We've had them for several years. They were originally in the living room, then they floated around the house for a little bit, and then they made their way outside, and they were just sitting doing nothing. So we were at Home and found this huge pot that is meant for outdoor plants. So it's actually a really good size, and it's not very heavy. So what we decided to do is put these 2 small trees inside of that pot. We have a few boxes in there to kind of lift them up a little bit, and I'm currently doing a DIY so that it can eventually look all nice and pretty like it came like that. So if I finish the DIY before I finish editing this video, I'll add it in here for you guys to see. If not, y'all will have to see it on the gram, because I have been procrastinating with this project. But I am loving the look of it so far, being that this pot is a huge size, really fits this corner really nicely, and the color of the pot is also ties in beautifully with the grayish white curtains, and the texture ties in nicely with the floors. Alright, so the next thing, one of my favorite features out here on our back patio is the fire pit. So this fire pit is from Best Choice Products, and we purchased it on Amazon, and it is absolutely stunning. It completely matches the flooring in our space. It ties in all of the gray tones along with the actual sectional itself, and it is just a beautiful piece. So in addition to it actually being a fire pit, we're able to cover the fire so that if you just want it to be a regular table, you can do that as well. But it really allows us to, of course, have our drinks on the table. We eat out here often, and it just really gives us just some space to kind of just do whatever we want to do out here. And then underneath the table is where the propane tank is. So you can put your propane tank in, hook it up, and then that is what fuels the actual fire for the fire pit. So a few things that come with the fire pit. Of course, you have to put it together, but it was extremely easy for Bear to put together. I only needed to help for like one little piece. So one person can definitely do it all by themselves. And it also comes with the fireproof marble rocks that you put in there around where the actual fire comes out. It does not come with a propane tank, so of course you need to have that separately, but it is an overall beautiful piece, and it is a statement for our patio. Alright, so now what you guys have probably all been waiting for, which is this beautiful 7-piece set from Home, and you guys, we absolutely love it. Again, if you haven't seen the first video, make sure you watch that. That's where I do the unboxing. Bear and I are actually putting the set together, and so you can kind of see the pieces that come with it, how it comes unboxed and all of that. But we've had it for a couple of months now and we love it so much. So it is a 7-piece set, so most of it is the actual sectional seating itself and a small coffee table, but it is a modular set, so you can set this up however you want. We currently have it set up with the coffee table at the end and then having it long ways in an L shape to match our patio, but we can do this in a U shape. We can do it straight across. We can do it separately as a conversational piece with the coffee table in the middle. Really, the possibilities are endless, and however it is that you choose to put the set together. A few things about the set overall is that it's wonderful. We absolutely love it. Like I was trying to figure out if there were any cons outside of just how long it actually took us to put the set together. You just have to have patience. Have your wine, you'll be good. But outside of that, it's been a very comfortable piece. We've had family over here, we've had friends over, all kind of chilling and hanging out in the back patio area and all sitting on this set. We haven't experienced any dipping or any like wearing down of the actual cushions themselves. The cushions are waterproof, so that's pretty nice, but we don't necessarily experience that considering the fact that our set is on a covered patio and it is also screened in, so the weather doesn't get to it as much as maybe if you had it sitting outside in the elements. But overall, it's a beautiful piece. It comes with all of the cushions and pillows as well as the 2 decorative pillows that we have in the corner, and we love it. It gives us, it seriously ties in the entire just vibe. Y'all, like, you guys already know, if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm saying it's a vibe for the rest of 2020 because it is. Alright y'all, so that is all I have for you today. I am almost finished with my wine, so I need a refill. But I hope you guys enjoyed this back patio transformation and tour. I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys if you're interested in looking at anything. Of course, some of those links will be affiliate links, and if you do purchase through my links, they do help me and my channel. So that is always much appreciated, but of course, not obligated. So I will have everything down there so that you guys at least can check out where we got everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up button as well as hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and the notification bell. Make sure you check out the first video so you can see the full transformation, where we started and where we are now. And just know that we are out on this patio literally every single evening. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night, day, weekend, whatever it is, and I will see up to you guys in the next one. Bye.